Hi, my name is Blanca, and I am the new AI Education Ambassador for Jaxx Media. I'll be working closely with our founder Paul Hitchcock and the team to bring you our best tools, tips, and strategies to help with the growth and nurture of your business. Here at Jaxx Media, we excel at helping Vistage chairs, executive coaches, and closely held businesses to embed the foundational sales and marketing elements that every business must have. This includes personal branding, list building and lead generation, email campaigns, LinkedIn outreach, authority-based content creation and posting, and LinkedIn live events. Jaxx Media has been an early adopter of automation and AI tools, and we offer a proprietary AI-driven pipeline management system, custom-built by our AI technical team. Let's stay connected and be sure to scan the QR code to receive a weekly alert from Paul on the hottest sales, marketing, and branding tips that are working right now. I'm excited to be part of your journey. Let's grow together.